jìyà rí. Ojú mi rẹ̀ ti rí gan. Ni mo ṣe yá má jìyà rí yẹn lọ́fà.
Spread the nude picture to the public because I still have them on my laptop.
Who is that man?
Jọ̀wọ́ orúkọ mi mo ti pààrọ̀ orúkọ. I kill for a living.
I see this guy before. You left one here. I don't know, I'm trying to do. Am I a Yahoo boy?
One man for a big idiot, big man, you only like Kai. Like sometimes I used to think if you are mature at all, like do you have sense?
What do mama send picture out there? Send you know they throw there as no feel like people send nude picture. I go where send their something.
Ẹni tó lórí ò ní fìlà o. Báwo ni ò bá ṣe rí kó jẹ́ pé èmi ni mo rí opportunity tó rí Ìlọ́ládé?
Báwo ni mo ṣe rí nìyẹn o? Yéwándé tó ń sunkún gbà tẹ́ ń dúró ní. Ṣé mo bóyá nínú ọkàn ẹ̀ oyin mo sì ń bẹ ṣe ń lọ yẹn ni?
Dókítà tó ń tàwọn ajá yẹn tó bá ti wá ẹni kò yọjú sí mi ó ní láti yẹ̀ yín wò. Ẹ ní ìdábẹ́rẹ́ ajá.
Láì gbóúnjẹ ajá jẹ.
Because I really want to see your face and see every part of your body.
What's the meaning of that now?
Ṣé ní blogger ni? Ẹ má worry jàre ẹ gbàgbé Tóyìn. Ẹ gbàgbé Tóyìn. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ náà bloggers kan lọ́wọ́ ń sìn. Anything tó bá post ibà láyé ń wá kiri o.
Bí èlò ló máa ní lákàntẹ́ bá Yéwándé.
Excuse me?
For you to know I truly love you, but tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé you believe me. I want to buy you a car. Màá dẹ̀ fún ẹ ní 2 million naira. Just for a start. For you to know how much I cherish you.
Can you take that again?